are here at Tesla's first experience center in India, here in Mumbai, Maker Maxcity. And right here with me is the Model Y. This is the facelift Model Y, so you can see all the changes. People who follow Tesla follow it very closely and they will notice all the changes. You have the light bar going from one end to the other. This light bar here is a DRL, the headlamp sits down below here, and you can see a reworked front with side curtains here on the side for better aerodynamics. You also will notice air dams down below and an extra camera right here, which is the 7th camera that Tesla has introduced in the Model Y. The front looks not so much as an SUV, but on the side, because of the stance, it starts looking a little bit more like an SUV. It still looks a little bit fish looking or shark looking front to my mind. Now let's go on the side. You will get 19 inches with 255 by 45 profile. You can also notice another camera on the side here. All these cameras are not just for view, but also for helping in autonomous driving, and that's why you see some of them a little bit placed at places where you generally do not see cameras. Let's talk about pricing now. So two variants are coming, both rear-wheel drive. The first rear-wheel drive version is going to cost you 59.89 lakhs, and this will offer a claimed range of 500 kilometers with a top speed of 201 kph, does 0 to 100 in 5.9 seconds. Now the long-range rear-wheel drive version is going to offer you a 622 kilometer claimed range with a 0 to 100 claims of 5.6 seconds. The top speed remains the same, 201 kph, but it's gonna cost you 67.89 lakhs. Now Tesla tells us the delivery of the base variant is going to start from Q3 whereas the long range version is going to be delivered in Q4 so by the end of this year. That's about pricing and deliveries. Now let's keep looking at this product. Let me show you what all you get here. You have the sloping roofline and you can see the glass on top. So there will be a full glass roof for you. A complete slope ending in a spoiler tip. On the rear also the tail lamps have changed. You get these connected tail lamps now. And again, you can spot the camera here. This one is the long range variant, so you can see the long range badging here and the sensors down below with a really chunky bumper, giving it that sporty look. Up front, you also get this 116-liter front trunk, which also has a drainage system. So in case you have some water here, you can drain it out. Now, this feels large enough for your overnight luggage. Now let me also tell you about the charging options. Well, you will get a wall box charger with the car, which is included in the price of the car. This is a 7 kilowatt to 11 kilowatt wall box charger. Besides this, Tesla, known for its superchargers, will also install 16 superchargers across the country. 4 of them are coming here in Mumbai first. Here is the supercharger for you, and 4 of them, the V4, the top level of their superchargers, will be installed. 16 of them, 4 in Delhi, 4 in Mumbai. That's what Tesla has told us, but they have promised to increase their supercharging network even further. Tesla Model Y is the first product coming to India. Looks interesting. I will take you inside. There are a lot of people shooting inside, but I will take you inside and give you all what you are going to get there. Now, inside the Tesla Model Y, you first notice this big screen, which is the CPU or the brain of Model Y. Most of the functions are managed from this screen, and I can tell you this screen, the performance is absolutely brilliant. Look at the clarity of the camera. It's absolutely lovely. You will also get your navigation here, and we will get you a proper review of this screen once we test drive it. But for now, you can see there are lots of apps that you can see here. And you can also play your movies through your Netflix or your other OTT apps. Now, as is common in Tesla, you will not see many buttons here. There are few on the steering. Tesla has included turn indicator in this Model Y on this lever. So that's a pretty convenient feature. Now let's talk about what other practicality you get. There is a big amount of space here. It's really huge. You can fit in large bags, large handbags in here. Then you have two cup holders which are covered, and you also have a good amount of space under the armrest, which also has light. Nice. Well, in terms of quality, I think quality feels quite adequate. It feels nice. It's not very luxurious because the focus is on being eco-friendly. So you have fiber on top and some leatherette with exposed stitches. Looks nice and very neatly executed. You also have a little bit of ambient lighting wrapping the front passengers around, which of course you can change the colors. The seats, you can see here, they are perforated and they also have heating and cooling function. And what's special about this cooling function, and Tesla made sure that they tell us, is that the function of ventilation is not by blowing but by suction, so you get a better feel of coolness. Now let's go to the second row. And before I take you there, let me show you how you open the door. So there's a button here and you open the door. Now let's go at the rear seat. So this is the rear seat of Tesla Model Y, a large panoramic sunroof. It is one of the biggest that I have seen and it looks quite magnificent, but can be a little troublesome in Indian weather because there is no shield on it. It is a little tinted, but I don't think that's going to be enough to protect us from our harsh sun. But nevertheless, there is a lot of space here. You get good amount of knee room, very comfortable seating position, slightly upright but not uncomfortable at all. And then you have good amount of thigh support as well because the bench is quite wide. The seat feels quite comfortable and decent amount of headroom despite that sloping roof. That's the benefit of being an SUV. Then of course it's the rear seat, but it is still a Tesla, so you don't have any buttons. You have a screen here to manage your music, your HVAC and everything else that you need to manage here. So that's how the second row of Model Y feels like. And before I take you to the boot space, let me also tell you this, that the Model Y produces this long range variant, produces 340 HP and does 0 to 100 in roughly around 5.6 seconds. That's pretty cool, right? Now let me show you the boot space. So Model Y has a really large boot space, 938 liters. That's a huge boot space. You can see there's a lot of space here. You can shift a house in this, but you can also fold the front, the second row, which folds easily, but there are people sitting there, and then the space becomes over 2,000 liters. That's a really big space that you can make for carrying your luggage. So that's what, here it is, your Tesla Model Y. How do you like it? The bookings are going to open very soon and the Experience Center is coming to Delhi very soon too.
Tesla's India story reads like a saga of ambition, delays, and now arrival. Back in 2016, Tesla began taking Model 3 pre-orders in India, but high import duties, reported 200% tariffs made launch unfeasible. Some early customers have now got their refunds. In 2021, Tesla formally registered an entity in Bangalore signaling intent. Well, talks began about launching models via CBU route but no local plant. By 22-23, talks turned to a $2 to $3 billion factory investment. But Tesla pushed back, frustrated by India's insistence on local production as the price for reduced import duties. Fast forward to July 2025 and Tesla finally makes its formal debut. not with a factory, but with a Mumbai showroom. Tesla has also imported around $1 million worth of vehicles and gear to India, including Model Y SUVs and superchargers from its US and China factories, despite a steep 70% import duty. This makes the Indian price significantly higher than international markets. But what's next? Well, Tesla's arrival unlocks India's potential as the world's third largest auto market, though high prices and the absence of localized production pose fresh challenges. Whether demand can match expectations, that remains to be seen. But one thing's clear: Tesla's here, even if not the way dreamers once hoped.